How to use AI to make YouTube videos in 3 easy steps. Step No. 1. Go to a website. I'll have it linked in the description below. Once you're here, click on this button to sign up. It's totally free. And once you've signed up, you can start creating your first video. Step number 2. Click on this icon here at the top right corner. You'll see an option called Video Ideas. Click on that and then you can choose from a variety of templates. There are so many different templates to choose from. You can do a product review, top 10 list, how to video, even a movie review. Step number 3. After you've chosen your template, you can now input your keywords. So let's say I want to do a video on the iPhone 14 Pro. I'll type in my keywords and then click on Generate Video. After that, you can download the video, edit it, add your own voiceover, and then upload it to YouTube. And you did all of that for free. Now, if you want to learn more about AI, subscribe to my channel.